here's the key.
I'll trade you 2 chiladas for your fucking whip, my boy.
Wait, is that Doritos in there? All right, deal. All right, yo, so we're about to go get a fucking bumper finally.
Wait, let me see your phone real quick, my boy.
Oh,
Where you going like this, boy?
Really, nigga?
hey, y'all see it?
Oh, yeah.
Tag Justo Dub in the comments. He got two fly. All right, man.
All right, here you go.
We got a bumper, and it's like one sum, like $130, but plus 80, it's like 110 because I bought those springs that I got in the back that I'm trading him for 80. So it's not bad for a Nismo V3 bumper. But now we're about to take off, drink some cheladas some apple juice
Stop it. Get some help.
on the way, and yeah. Alright, well, as you guys can see, we got the Nismo V3 bumper for some lowering springs and $130, which is not bad considering this is like a $500 bumper. It is Duraflex, and I don't really care. Just gonna put my OEM bumper on underneath, and it should fit up pretty good. Right now, the guy has his self-tapped in, so whenever we get home, we're gonna drill out these holes to the OEM size and put the actual press-in clips, and then mount this OEM style on the sides with the right bolts and mounting hardware. You got the zip ties on me?
Oh, yeah, I found the zip ties.
Oh yeah. Rear Nismo's on. Front Nismo's on. That's too clean. Alright, so we got the bumper, but we're not gonna leave it like this because as you can tell, he had it like self-tapping
Like,
in.
boy, what the fuck is
And
that
we
shit?
do not rock shit like that. So. Damn, fucking fresh zip ties. There we go, that's one zip tie. Because we're gonna mount this up with the OEM, like little rubber clips or whatever.
There it is. Ka-chow.
So these, all we have to do is drill them out bigger, and it should be good. Here, right there. And we can put the OEM clips in. These we zip tied.
Looks good though. Lines up still.
It's gonna line up even better with the OEM clips. Put the OEM bolts in there, and then it should fit just like the rear bumper. And that's it. We got the bumper all mounted up. Went to go take pictures and ran into this dope ass Audi R8, and dude revved it for us and did a pull. So it was crazy to see. Later, bro. You too. So right now, me and all my boys came to take videos and pictures, and I'm gonna try and show you guys the cholo that's fucking staring us down.
Nigga set tripping on Mason because Mason from the father.
But look, we got like this abandoned spot, and we all like just taking videos and pictures of all the cars and of pictures. Nigga, can you shut up?
This nigga's in trying to whip.
All right, but yeah, so we were trying to take videos and pictures right here at this abandoned market or whatever. At the homie with the HRZ right here. At the homie with the Challenger. I don't care about his whip. All right, but yeah, we got the Z right here, and then if you guys can see, we got some cholo ass motherfucker posted in his Lolo, and he was all staring at us and shit. Like, boy. But yeah, so he's been staring at us. He let out his pit bulls, if you guys could see him, while we're just chilling here taking videos and pictures. I'm gonna drop some of the videos and pictures that we took, post it up with the homies. I don't know why he's tripping, but we could all get to tripping if he wants to trip, so. Okay.
What the fuck is wrong with you niggas?
Okay, Mason, I see you. I see you, boy, with them wide ass 11s. 11 inches wide on the wheels.
Nigga, look at all that shit.
Ooh,
You know what that is?
BQ life. It's us living in the day.
Help! Help! Help me! Help!
Is it?
No, it's the oil that the arsenal fluid burning off.
Oh shit. Got my boy with the chally with the red interior.
Hell yeah.
Start it up, give us a little rev. Go rev it, cause that Camaro just revved. Go again. One more time. Nice. Put it in Hellcat mode. Damn, my boy even got the carbon fiber right here. Got the Z posted up, chilling. It sounds nice. Wait, do you have an intake? Yeah? Open it, let me see. How do you open this shit? What the hell? Boy, it is. Oh, I see it. Okay. Alright, go. Let me hear that shit. Oh, you can't hear that shit. It's a Hellcat. It's a Hellcat. This is a fucking Hellcat right here. The red eye. All right, Mason, it looks better. Now that you cleaned up all the power steering fluid. My boy just got this for like $100 basically. It's a drift. What?
Drift dialectics.
What?
Drift dialectics.
Drift whatever he just said. That's what it is.
Carbon fiber ducting.
We're gonna have to fix it just how we did to my fenders, but it'll be looking good. But if you guys look right here, it looks hella good in the back, except for like where like the paint is cracking. But like you can tell, like where the sun wasn't hitting it, still looks pretty good. But yeah, we're just right here chilling and people be tripping on us. This is a cool spot though for pictures and stuff. I'm gonna take some cinematic shots. cholo ass fool just standing out right there, staring at us. But yeah. Alright, where are we going, boys? We just finished taking pictures.
Me, my boy.
Oh! Caught it on video. Alright, where we going? Where we going? Where we going? Get some micheladitas, Andy? Oh, bud.
You already ate, nigga. What the fuck? Yeah, cause I'm hungry.
What are you talking about?
That's the HHR's going. You say in for the micheladas.
You're in.
Ain't no way, boy. You finna drink that shit?
You finna drink a michelada?
Oh hell yeah, nigga! It's a Sunday.
Oh, hell yeah.
Alright.
In the hood. Well, honestly, I should have brought my yeek. I would have shot this food.
Oh wow.
Alright, let's go to my pad. Or let's go get wrapped
I can't,
and micheladas. Man, so we just swung it hella sick. Fucking full on donut in the street. I mean, of Mexico. And, yeah, the homies didn't get a video of it.
Tragic.
So it looks like we're gonna have to do it again. We're probably gonna do it right here.
Right here at the stop.
Let's see. Oh, motherfucker.
Oh, fucking up the motion.
Yeah.
Fucking up the motion. Hold up. Sorry, guys.
Oh, no, there's a car coming.
Will this be the spot?
I think it is.
I think.